SEO is one of those things you will wish you started yesterday, mostly because it really isn't that hard. Now, the good news is you can totally start today, and I'm going to show you 3 simple SEO hacks. The best news, there's nothing technical about any of it. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified each time I post a new video about search engine optimization. I have used these simple strategies with my clients to increase their website visibility. You can get really technical with SEO, but you don't have to. Let me show you how. Number 1, Google reviews. Google reviews are a great way to increase your visibility on Google search. The quantity and quality of your Google reviews are one of the most important factors in local SEO. Now, what can you do? Well, you can reach out to your customers, past and present, and ask them for a review. It really is that simple. I've put a link to a template on how to ask for a Google review in the show notes below. I hope you utilize it, and I hope you utilize your Google reviews and watch your traffic grow. Number 2, post every week to your Google My Business. If you don't know what Google My Business is, check out my video here. It explains it. A good rule of thumb is to post fresh content on your Google My Business every 7 days. These posts are a great way to improve your SEO. I've put an article in the show notes below that really gives the benefits of posting to Google My Business. Number 3, sign up for listing websites or registries or whatever you want to call it. Just get your business profile on quality listing sites. Now, you want quality when it comes to your listing sites. I've put 2 strong quality listing sites in the show notes below. Now, you want to make sure to use the exact profile you have on Google My Business. You want that information to go on all these listing websites. Remember, it has to be exact. Having your business listed in trusted online directories sends signals to Google that your website is a trusted website. Now that you see how simple SEO can be, I want you to make a list of customers, past and present, that you can go ask for a Google review. And then I want you to go ask them. Now that you have a few strategies, it really is important to keep track and to make decisions moving forward. If you don't have an online SEO strategy, my online training course gives you just that and so much more. I've put a link to Lead Attraction Accelerator in the show notes below. My next class starts June 15th. And by the way, it's up to 70% covered by the Canada-Alberta Job Grant. All you have to do is apply. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If you liked my video, give me a thumbs up. Better yet, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified each time I post a video about search engine optimization. Adios, everyone.